So stop and miss me, as they say, with this whole idea that, oh, well, we getting numbers. No, you got to get knowledge. That's what your power is. Knowledge. Knowledge is your power. Because people, oh, well, we don't have enough money. When you know the truth, you understand money doesn't even exist. Right here. This is your power. This is greater than the money. But you keep giving your energies away. And you keep feeding people who are there to oppress you and manipulate you. You're the problem. Not even Trump and what's her name, because they don't exist when you have knowledge. I need to get into these questions. A democratic form of government versus a republic form of government. All right? Again, when you're talking about Democrat versus Republic, and let me get into this. You're talking about a Democratic Party versus Republic Party or Republican, whatever they call it. For my melanated people, I need y'all to understand something. Originally, all the melanated people were with the Republic or Republican Party. Why? Because that dealt with your rights, your God-given rights. Melanated folk knew law when they first got into this country. Why? Because a lot of them were coming from Moors who came from other countries. And then you had your Indians. Now your Indians has started to be called black and Negro and colored. That title was given to them by Moors who had come into this land. Melanated, both of these melanated groups, I want to make that clear. You're talking about your original people, they was melanated. You're talking about your Moors, they were melanated. And again, what's not being taught to us is it was a whole bunch of melanated people in this country fighting. So the next time you hear somebody, by the way, tell you, oh, the Constitution is based off the Bible and Christian principles, lies. When they tell you, oh, it's based off of Islam, lies. Let me be clear. The original people had this constitution of this land, all of North America, all of what we know of as North America, Canada, and South America. All right. And the Iroquois Confederacy is what the Constitution is based off of. Now, who started the United States of America? Who was that? Moors. Melanated folks, which is why they're not telling you about the Continental Congress. They don't tell you about that because it was melanated presidents before Barack, before Washington. Do some research. All right, let me get back to it. So, y'all melanated people. Originally, this is why people carried around the Bible. This is why the maxims of law I tell you in this book are so powerful. The maxims of law deals with God's laws. And back in the day, y'all know how people used to ride around with their Bible? Why are they riding around with their Bible? Because in their Bible is the maxims of law. This is the highest law of the land. If you stood under this, you was protected. They couldn't mess with you. This is why they rode around with Bibles. So that Bible deals with the republic. Well, what does republic mean? I hope y'all taking notes. Take notes. Take notes. And pay attention. Federal means a covenant with God, but the republic form of government dealt with your God-given rights being protected at all costs. All right? That's why your melanated folks originally in here, well, they were Republic. They were with the Republican Party. But then somebody came in and switched it. The way that all kind of stuff been switched throughout history. But what happened is they switched the parties. And they got melanated people to move over to the Democratic Party. And y'all been Democratic for centuries. And don't want to leave because you have this belief that these people are actually for you. Let me be clear on this, because the Republican Party not for you either. Because somebody infiltrated the United States, which is, I'm going to get to that in a few minutes. Oh, I'm going through history today. Since you wanted me to speak on this garbage political soap opera with these demons running in it, I'm ready to give it to you. I'm speaking.